Hi, Aspen here, drone in nature. Just been out flying a little bit with my Dji Mavic Air 2. Yeah, I got some nice shots, but the weather isn't that great. It's pretty overcast and the colors are really boring this time of the year. But I got some clips and hopefully the weather will get better soon so I can do some more flying. The winter is coming pretty soon, so it's going to be fun to see how the drone acts when it's colder. I'm looking forward to it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and will subscribe to my channel, and see you. Bye bye.